the powers developed by yoga. And Siddhasya means a perfect devotee. So now for a perfect devotee, he develops both kinds of powers. It is not that a perfect mystic devotee has got no Ashtasiddhis. He has got that also, but he is not interested in that. Because he knows that he has gained something in front of which the Ashtasiddhis is nothing. So he is not attracted by that. He is attracted by the Supreme Lord and thinking of Him and rendering devotional service to Him. But for one who has not perfected himself, that yogi, because he doesn't know that there is a higher perfection to attain beyond the Ashtasiddhis, he is attracted by these Ashtasiddhis. So this Ashtasiddhi, for a perfect devotee who has attained perfect Krishna consciousness, these Ashtasiddhis are byproducts. That means they come even without practicing. Just imagine the superior position of devotional service. Separately, if somebody has to attain perfection in Ashtasiddhis, oh, it's a huge endeavor, huge endeavor. Siddhaloka, Brahmaloka, only they have these powers, and it's a practical impossibility. But for a devotee, all these wonderful Ashtasiddhis come even without asking. They are the byproducts. So this shows us the superior position of Bhakti Yoga. That we get everything what is available in the material world, the highest thing, the Ashtasiddhis, even without asking.